Philippine American Dreams?
Yeah.
Is that what you mean?
Yeah.
Okay. So right behind you is the high definition TV from Samsung. It's a 65-inch 6 series budget. It's a low-end Samsung.
Unboxing.
The unboxing. Okay. It's got 4K color drive. It's got 4K HDR Pro for brightness. Essential Black Pro for deep blacks. Motion MR120 Smart Hub. And it's a smart TV, so you got Netflix, streaming, all that. 65-inch 6 series MU6300 4K resolution smart remote. I think it's voice control remote. 3 HDMI ports. And there she is. So now we're going to open the box.
Hawaii!
Oh, there's RJ. RJ, what you doing back there? Okay, you like this TV? You ready to start opening it? Okay.
Open it, Mommy! And bye-bye!
There we are again. And here is the instructions for unboxing. It shows they put it in the truck. It must stand upright. Do not tilt it. Bad for the TV. And it's fragile. And then you basically open up the top. You take out all the loose stuff. Then there's some clips on the bottom you have to push. And you basically can lift the TV right out. Or lift the top of the box right off the TV. That's what it is. So that looks pretty good. So here we go. Alright, open her up.
Mommy, hand it to me.
Yep.
Yes, you'll handle the small parts. Right down the line.
And Mommy and Daddy will get the big part, the TV.
Yeah, we'll get the big part. The box is going to lift right off the TV if the instructions are right.
When there's nothing in here.
There.
Okay, here we are. Oh, wait, what's this?
That's there.
Is that the instructions repeat again?
Front.
Let's see.
This is the front.
Here's the front. I don't know what that stands for. QSG. Looks like you take all these parts out. Kind of like what I showed before. And then the box lifts right off the TV. That looks interesting. Alright, open this part. Okay, take out each piece and give to RJ. No, leave that, RJ. Ready? Take out this.
Okay.
Okay, here's the manual, right?
Manual.
And the remote, give to RJ.
RJ,
Okay, RJ.
put in the front.
Put on the floor in the front. Step down. What is that? The remote?
That's the remote.
And the instructions?
And this here.
Quick guide.
Quick guide.
Okay.
With
RJ, put that on the floor.
put in the
Next to it. Line it up next to it.
What's this?
Okay, what else? We got other loose parts?
This I do it.
That's part of the stand.
Oh,
Okay,
stand.
put that on the floor.
Put on the floor, RJ.
Okay, the top comes off.
Put that there. And here.
There we are.
I'll throw that.
Don't take the TV out.
Put this back.
What's this here?
That's part of the stand. Alright, leave that alone.
I'll throw that.
Okay, let's go down here now. Let's pull the clips. Okay?
Try.
Okay, we have the manual, quick setup guide, and that's part of the stand. Now the box on the bottom has got these clips that you open and pull out. There's one. And there's two. Now we're going to go around the other side and pull the other two clips out. There's one down here. You just squeeze it, pull it out. And one over here. Squeeze it, pull it out. Okay. So now, we'll lift the box. Ready? Lift that side. Lift the box. Okay, keep going. There we go. Okay. So there it is. The TV. That's the back of it. And take off that. Oh, this comes off too. There it is.
Here is the stand.
There's the stand. Okay, let's make some room here. Okay, we have this other stand, so open that. That's part of the stand. You got the knife if you need it. Nope, don't need it. Okay, that snaps into the TV stand.
Oh, this side.
Open that side. Okay.
You take the stick off, then I'll take it off.
Okay, let him take it off. Knife is behind TV if you need it. Now you got it. Move over here a little bit so I can see. Let's see it. Okay, that's it. There's the stand. Put it upright so we can see it. Okay, what's the other piece? Put that there. Okay.
I think there's something in the remote. There's this biggest TV.
The guide.
Okay.
Nothing there.
Alright, so we're going to set up the stand. Let me set her up. Okay, there you go. Open her up. There's the manual.
There's the other parts like that.
Okay, there's the manual and there's the parts.
There's the other car.
A battery.
Are they in there?
And what's where the battery weight? Battery right here.
Okay, they got a compartment for each one. Here's the remote.
And you hold the remote.
There's some cables we don't need right now. There's the plug for the TV and the battery.
Yeah, get the battery out.
Okay, let's see if this has the screws. Okay, we're going to put the stand together. They have 2 packets of screws. First part is right here. Line it up. Screw it in. Okay, here we are, putting the screws in the stand. They have it color coded. These are the black screws, and they have the other ones that go on the TV. Those are the blue screws. And that's the hard part going back in here now. Need small fingers to get in there. Okay. And yeah, make it nice and tight. It's pretty solid. That's it. One last one. And there it is. Okay. We got the stand. Now we got to attach it to the TV.
Attach it to the TV.
To the TV.
Good there.
What?
Ready?
Hello. Boo.
You lift it and put it in front.
How
Okay,
do
put it
that?
right here. Pull the styrofoam off the bottom.
Look,
Pull
look,
up,
look.
RJ.
Or
Take off.
can you get the bottom?
Take off.
Yeah, take it off.
No.
Take the styrofoam away.
Oh, you see somewhere.
Okay, let's turn it around.
Oh, here.
Okay, now we're going to put the stand on the TV. All right, RJ, thanks for the help. We finally got the bracket on. We had to put some wood on each side,
Please.
piece of wood like this, so we could lift it up and then get the bracket on, because we didn't want to tilt the TV. These are the different inputs. You got a USB,
You can be Daddy.
another USB, a digital audio out, optical, that's good. HDMI 3, HDMI 2, HDMI 1. a LAN, local area network, component in, and RF antenna, which is nice. That's a nice feature. A lot of TVs don't have that. So there's the serial number stuff and information. And should be ready to plug in and take a look at it. There's the energy guide. $19 a year.
$19 a year.
That's about what it cost. That's based on 12 cents per kilowatt. And I guess however many hours on average TV watching.
Yeah.
$19, not too bad, huh? Pretty nice. We'll see how the picture is. Okay, there it is, connection guide. Turn the TV on, follow the instructions to pair it, and then you have a choice. Air, cable, I have just a small little antenna for local channels hooked up right now.
Have YouTube, TV.
Smart Hub. This is just some of the stuff you can get. That's TV. You have to check what you want. Just TV for now. Let's check YouTube. Can I even get there?
Go up.
I tried that.
There's your remote.
Oh.
Oh no, there is.
Sound button.
New tires! Let's
And
see how the Vickers do.
this is the final product. It's all put together. Got a Mickey Mouse cartoon on TV. And still a lot to learn. The remote voice control. Pretty cool.
Got it,
So
Dorothy.
there you have it. The Samsung 65-inch 4K high definition TV.
That's not what I meant to do.